No ababa kase abronye should come after you. Now we are when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebenya hwada je say hey Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say abronye ko kan wo wasem.
Vision for a high Ghana MTV GH. Message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature uploaded you'll be notified.
No akatre wuntum se ko uya hwan. Wa mra kwa me yamba betima takre o na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba be bo me pay mu ne pa. Na me ya bo me pa. Ya bo me pa ka frɛ me ka kire me sɛ. Ye nyina ye ya Kristofo. Enti yan support alantremantem wanim ana me ka kire o plane sɛ alanwini aba ne onwini aba kyena. Sa tumi no a ubie wa no ka sɛ alan ne ba wini primaries no. Na sɛ ka ma sa tumi ni ye adwuma. Na de enim niema mo fa kire ya mo kan wa so dem mo fa kire akwakọ ye different thing ofi ye nim de san ye nim na ye na mo be kọ no munga mu o gina so dem mo preach wie na akoye nyankoma de foforo a yesu ye be kọ so dem ye pia ne yesu ye sia wo nyankoma de achi ho ne ye hu eno ntina mo koye ba mo fi sa ma ben ne dia ye be hu ye de sa ye nim ne nyina enti ma obi anyina ba bi se de apia se de o kai no Uti one say oh yeah oh man bed preaching na hweso ye na me nkwa sori a whole of the year me wanyan santino say me kwa sori 1 year na da bia me sofo at the political party be internal elections and be ye preaching amejai na ye wo individual churches ya e wo kroma ankra sori a omu bu omu ho na uti omu na so omu preach ya Kwasiela duru na so mu preachia akono keke omu kanyame asem adwensakra individual churches e wo kroma se wotie omu preach na de toto ho a na wa ankasa no se nya asori dam ho ana ya de moto aye wadwene se nkuto a ka obehu se wa no asori dan na wotim no wayira mo amaka no wayira because wo de toto preaches e binum ye now we are what but traditional churches no Presby preaching Papa B, Methodist preaching Papa B, Roman bishop ayi Roman fathers sia bishops akesia Anglican preaching Papa B, Pentecost apostles for sia elders ne dek ayi for sia awurade preaching Papa B, Church of Christ, Apostolic Continuity, all the traditional churches preaching Papa B. Yenim. And you 1 year near political party being internal matters. Appear said you hit you call him and apologize to him.
Meet me near Bonsamada Diamu Madiachi. Nanso meet me ni John Mahama any NDC and that Diamu Madenche. Because when they say 1, a 5, the same NDC 4 way. And no more information minister Baba Jama or better we are seeing say NDC kwa ponchi and yenkase nentwie they should exaggerate it. So should you people trust Nkofo we mo? Never. I don't trust them. Youth na enne bebre edi NDC echi omo ka John Mahama no. Eya me hu say 2012 up to 2016 omo enhu bi. Sa time na omo maame mo na etomo omo di so they didn't see. This man at the Ghana eko dum somu. Look at the companies that egugu wo on my Ghana mo. This same John Mahama, Jida, Sada, the only vice president, our one kasane president, a commission of inquiry, see and the chobobi or cotton yemu. Sanipa we yajinidi, and Namanda any adabra basem. On one kasa Timitro book, our 2 book nidi my first school dita, or so no intimate dream man who, na sebe meme banana draw our what 3 years a cry, ya ne can on one a road appear to econe. Nanso the ultimate catches a wontime dream man who nanso Ghana for ye jaya who the to me at the abesha papa we and same. We haven't seen anything yet. Because John Mahama me minim no a would do a pebre. Na Ghana and Sutobre cry stream ye duenua. Now the pebre na san could do a will stream. John Mahama name mwasem okay can you see wedding attempt because John Mahama ba first no and or den confirm by sisi as or den ko konketin joro de mwasem kwa na wodi trim.
I think that this month, yes, I can't cook on no.
So, Chedia Momo, Nankoko no Ocheno, every constituency 10,000 in Coco, na constituency Ben Wagan and we 10,000 in Coco. This is a fallacy. So, whom quasi assembly be no. Well, because they didn't
every constituency, Biano, if you 200 near ma if you back could be a 50 chicken.
Into 50 chicken constituency, maybe constituency, Pristia, who never in the fear away 200 patches, I know Pesa John Mama Casa or Pesa Catcher. Ghana for her, yet he had more. Mustafa Gandhi, NDC, so ya one, or sign a minister, presidential suffer. Ebe catcher, you say, every month, almost 20,000 Ghana city, and at the comma almost constituency executives. Nasasi can and your taxpayers' money. Taxpayers' money. Now, so almost the fueli on one casa almost constituency party. Yet Ghana, Minianum, ya mistake, akoto aba edi ama John Mahama, dom. They have nothing. A member 4 years, no winning the papa woman, 10 months, ya yet. Na manso de bia na wo kan asem bi almost say and dollar say ye 1 cedi kura time ye dollar ye free so ye 14 cedis and a bag of cement was 80 cedis and now a bag of cement is 160 cedis nyansa be na wo sa BBL economy na o makoye ni mu we etese oba wa koteki akwakowo de rubber akwakoshe ne to e wo ma ebedwo e wo mu a ebedwo NDC John Mahama ne dom omo opposition omo ka te say galamsey die so enye if they come they will do this nanso eno mo ba ye no omo ankasa omo constituency executives yama general national organizer yaka e dey ato omo so say omo ye galamsey nti so dream ho kete obetime to galamsey ya on starting from no ani fie ho oko Eastern region constituency chairman neba ono ankasa ni DMCE oko Park akwakọ confess say oye galamsey inso sankofo we say monam honom Ghana sofofo e di nyaatwon e keka nsem se ni nyina ne se yempese Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia oye Muslim ti yempese obabidi yeso but this same pastors every month and as a Christmas baby they will go to Dubai na me bi so mo say Dubai na ye Moses na chechire ye Dubai Yesu Kristo na chechire ye is it not an Islam country? May I trust an Islam, a faithful Islam, than a hypocrite Christian. Because Islam only need to feel what you're tough for mukura onfa. Omo the LGBTQ, yasum, and the majority leader be catcher say, Bell no yebeti me aba, nanso se betiki ye, say be sign party. Is it not the same people? And the catcher say, Omo ba LGBTQ, nanado mo empesa omo bejiatu, but there's no wonder. You see, birds of the same feathers flock together. Shremo nyanko, no machremi subai. Andrew Solomon, or sending yanko pa, John Mama Nankasa sending yanko pa ni Andrew Solomon. Oh, ye gay activist, or troni book mpono. The poor to first copy, yes, Andrew Solomon. No. Na John Mahama ni Andrew Solomon, omo picture na eba bontia no mo dam paso no mo share socks. What were they doing? Ye bisa ye ho sa asem no. Omo dam paso no mo share socks no. Ye bisa ye ho sa na den no omo yes amre no. Nanso Ghana fo. Ye bia no kasa ka kire.
Bible me ba. Adentina sa society Christian Council. Wow, why? Adentia, I think say Charles ya oko apaya sorry say otuaba because wo Charles who be popular St. John and the man we popular or do question your friend is saying agriculture on forestry ho and Charles who be ni petit pa Charles can continue radio to say because of tumuti and otuaba why nyagidie wo Dr. Bawumia mu onyagidie wo John Dramani Mahama mu and o de tuaba e de ma no it ene adenti no mote ho saade no ekwa akire ebe animu yehu action bi ti say de no mo ye before mo ye demonstration na ade no mo nye saade Bible
Queen B ayo mu ye funu no mo de nam ayo mu afu hwe Legon Bataza jampo e den na wanka enso mo ba nya na wakwa na appointment no Inte ayo mu ye fu na omo de nam yet Ghana e masofu bi asebe ni 3 ho ayese hitotoa yesi Kofi Oduro etime ka kire na na do say Jimmy enne saa sofofo we nyinara aka omato Duncan Williams mo bompa ya ayese omo ni Nyankopon na to nsa didi where are they now agina sorry where are they now where are these people all because say yempe Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia be me ka kire mo enne whether you like it or not we will force Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia on you people because or no ena nimdie ewo no ho if a whole America etimika say yekosua matemame if a whole America timika say yekosua drone delivery medical system every on my Ghana ho no ma na say nyo bia ni initiative na say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia America for kura hu nani so ade hu no aba be copy e de free ha no ma that means the man deserves hwɛ me maame wonim bibibi nyankopɔn bɔ ni wiase wɔ ho nyankopɔn bɔ ni wiase onye lefty onye latani nti na dates ene enda ɔhyehyɛ se yɛ wɔ dwoada yɛ wɔ benada nsɛm esi wɔ mu na yɛ different from the see ya wɔ da mu nti na ne calendar afi bi deɛ so timi yɛ dan ekohyia me ma instances bi 1996 calendar ɛne 2024 calendar ɛyɛ pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ 2028 ɛne 2000 calendar ɛyɛ pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ na history ebe repeating ne ho because 1996 that was the first time as a president Kufuor na all the first time NDC JJ Rawlings had 57%. 2004 Bawumia the first time all no Janda Miyotisui he had 57%. And no Abesin that was the first time so na Speaker of Parliament all the second time Justice Annan Bagwen or the second time. That was the first time NDC nya 2 thirds of Parliament. 96 afi omanya 2 thirds majority of Parliament into history ni repeat but the NPP repeat Omampeni Kufuor the year 2000 consistency NPP ebewini into the aka nyina ne say we will repeat Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia 96 yeto abane Saturday 2024 yeto abane Saturday 2000 yeto ne Thursday 2028 yebeto ne Thursday nti dia aka nyina na se yebe repeat Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia de nti a memese be Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia I believe in numbers exactly nyankopon na oye na de na nkasa no de nti a oye na de nti a me believe in Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ne se ne policies a odinam no eto asom hwe bibiti se ose constituency based budget the ama yanum empese Dr. Mahmood Bawumia be banyina ne se
adubia obaso kokom demi me sorry so me moderators bia bia
okay odia mate
odia
mame
Busian for NPP Judas Kenya Japan watutu bia ma na Christopher na asefem areho onse mu Christopher na mo sorry na mo akotena sorry dem na mo bompa ye mu nsum nyame mo safo no mo agimi pa na mo ne kraman no difference 1 to 7 mpo mo mi hwe video no wi abra na betie nyansasem.
So what I'm telling the youth is that instead of spending so much time, look, on religion like this, also Majimi, you see,
my people are doing really well today with these photographs.
Sabe uni me kramaya or don't fear or damage say. What's the difference? What's the difference? The picture that you are seeing.
Ochamia wodi mu asamoka osenana wasumu am we de mu nyina mati NPP Judas Kenya Japan say Christopher mo ye nkraman na mo agimi pa na bone be na Christopher aye Kenya Japan omobone omaye nyina ne se omo de omo nkwa nyame de ache omo ebra omo wa asasi so omo decide so omo be spend ebra ni bi e wo nyame fie amompa ye nyame aye eno ane bone omaye Kenya Japan enye so omo di Kenya Japan atem enye so omo kakasa ntwi atia no wo mo nte ne nchen nko school enye NPP Judas na hwom enye se bia wa form adwuma mu ana omu use adwuma time no ekotena sorry fie ebo mpaye chese wo mo nya Kenya Japan hwe na so papa pani wakwa akotena TV so edie Christopher nyina atem so omo ye nkraman such dirty insult eso omu ye timi for pam a omo nya ne boni bia we wudi ni bedi wani mu se NPP flag bearer e Christopher nyina beto abetia no Christo ni bia ni wa na adwini wo fia wo beto abama Kenya Japan obehu video bi no wato abama Kenya Japan da and I'm telling you as good as NDC omoye in propaganda way enye propaganda way evidence wo honom they will use this video against Kenya Japan or the NPP flag bearer and it will work. Omo de be consortium, omo de be compaibo fie, omo de be ko bia and it will work against NPP and no Christian will vote for Kenya Japan. 99.9% of Christians ebe to abeti ya Kenya Japan. Say what they need NPP enim as flag bearer because atemo okodi omu nyansa be no gum omo nya ne boni bia omo kana asem omo nya bibi nti ade ye but papa pani wakwa kota TV so such dirty insult
refer to a Christopher as all my young cramming. What the Christopher to two on cramming? How can you let somebody like this lead a political party? No serious political party in the entertaining Kennedy Japan so be him with such video. It will be used against NPP. NPP delegate. Mummy engineer. Say what party ni here? You will run away from Kennedy Japan. This is scandalous. This is serious. This is very humiliating. Say a whole flag bearer of a party at a point describing a Christopher 70% of Ghana. So mo yen kramai. Our mo yen ni boni bia. Chale me who video na me so when I was like, what is this? What is this? You see, chale.
But this is what is in front of him. But you can correct me if I'm wrong, Minister.
Thank you very much, Chair. Chair, you are absolutely correct that is the position of Smart Infraco. But that's why I started by saying that this is not about what Sam George's position is or what Smart Infraco's position is. It's about what the position of the law is. Nobody has said that addendums to a law, to a contract are illegal. I have never made that claim here. Addendums are a part of the legal process of contracting. However, the question we're raising is that when addendums change substantially what the original contract was, we have chosen to subject that to the Attorney General's advice. And that's why I'm saying that if today you have a report which we are not privy to, the document you reference as a response from Smart Infraco to the committee, we haven't seen at the ministry. But if in that they admit some liability, it comes back to support my initial submission and position that the 6 million ought to be paid to the states. When that is paid to the state, they can make whatever claims, because let's not forget, the claims are now being made on the back of the addendum. Not because the parent contract says that all the cost and risk should be borne by the private entity. Now they are saying that the addendum allows for them to move that liability to government. Because that's why they are saying that they don't owe 6 million. The cost that they claim they spent in rectifying the infrastructure is the reason why in their response to you, I want to believe, they are saying that liability is not 6 million, but 1 million and about 160,000, if I heard you right, Madam Chair. And so that's why I'm saying that that claim must be submitted. That claim cannot be made by the private entity and then say that we have decided that government owes us this, so we are deducting it from government's money, and this is what we will give. No, that power does not rest with a private entity.
As for that one, I agree with you 100%.
Thank you. And so the point is
that we should validate the costs that they claim they charged, the profits that they earned, and then to find out truly if that was so, and then we can make progress and see where they owe us and then they need to pay, or where, we need to offset them with one thing or the other. But truly, I understand that we need to validate the cost involved.
That's the point of the ministry.
I have gone through the reports myself, and then in a couple of, in certain years, you see the revenue and then you see the costs. They charge the costs that they said they have incurred to the revenue, and we end up, when I say we, I mean government ends up owing them some money. So it is, in the light of all that is happening, I strongly believe that, yes, we should validate all the costs that they charge to the revenues that came in, and where they ought to pay, they pay. And so as for we validating those terms, and in terms of the costs that they applied to the revenues after the addendum or the renewal, the tweaking of the contracts, I believe that we should look at it and put it in perspective. Yeah.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I'm happy that we are in agreement that there needs to be a validation of the claims, and then we on the back of that, decide how to proceed. But bottom line is,